This is the story of Masamba Ga Winyi, the only female ruler to have governed the empire of Kitara. Once upon a time in the kingdom of Kitara, there lived a remarkable woman who made history by becoming the only woman to have ever ruled. Her story is a fascinating tale of love, betrayal, and bravery. When her brother, the king, Cwa I, disappeared from the kingdom, she was chosen by the chiefs to become the queen as they searched for the appropriate heir to the throne. One day, news came that they had found one of the wives of the late king with a baby boy. The news did not please the queen as she had started enjoying the powers of a ruler. She sent for the boy to her palace to ascertain if he indeed was the son to her brother. When the chief minister Bunyoro heard of this requisition, he sent one of his men to spy on the queen. The queen held a council meeting with some of her men and decided that the boy would have to be killed. Bunyoro's spy, Omuziikya, was one of the men and he took back the news to him. The arrangements to kill the boy were made. Meanwhile, Bunyoro asked Omuziikya to blow a corn flute when the deed was going to happen. On the D-Day, Omuziikya blew the corn flute. The boy ran out the palace on hearing the flute sound. The queen's men were caught in action, killed, the queen arrested and imprisoned. The boy was crowned king. From that day on, Omuziikya, his sons and descendants became the royal flute players and were celebrated as heroes throughout the land. End of story. Copyright 2023 at Kitara Studios, a Kitara Media Group company.